What if you never saw your dream home because a tech platform decided you didn't deserve to? And what if, as a seller, you lost control over how your home was marketed simply because you didn't follow their rules? That's exactly what Compass says is happening. And they're taking action and suing Zillow. Zillow, the biggest real estate platform in America, is now banning listings that aren't on their site fast enough. It's not about fairness, it's about profit and power. This lawsuit could change the way you buy and sell real estate in our country forever. Just a quick disclosure before we dive in. I am a licensed real estate agent with Compass. I've seen firsthand how these policies impact buyers and sellers. And I want you guys to have all the facts so you can make the best decision for yourself. So here's what's going on. Zillow recently rolled out what Compass is calling the Zillow ban. It's a policy that says if a home is marketed anywhere, even privately, before it appears on Zillow, that home is permanently banned from their platform. Not hidden, not delayed, but banned forever. Let's say you want to test the market quietly. You don't want to blast your listing for the entire internet to see just yet. You want to get feedback, gauge interest, or maybe just keep it discreet. With Zillow's policy, doing that means your home will never get seen by the 227 million monthly visitors Zillow brings in. And that's the issue. When one platform controls so much of the digital real estate space, banning listings becomes more than just a policy. It becomes a form of control. Compass says this policy directly harms homeowners by taking away their ability to choose how their home is marketed. It also hurts buyers who may have no idea that homes are being withheld from their view. Zillow claims this is about transparency, but let's be honest, Zillow also makes a lot of money selling buyer leads to agents. If your home doesn't hit Zillow's platform, they can't profit from it. So this policy protects their revenue, not just some ideal of fairness. But Compass isn't stopping at just the policy itself. They're also alleging that Zillow teamed up with Redfin and eXp Realty to pressure the entire industry into following their rules. This is the second part of the lawsuit. What they're calling a conspiracy to limit consumer options and stifle competition. To lead the legal fight, Compass brought in Ken Dinster, the lawyer who helped the United States Department of Justice take on Google for monopolizing search. They're not playing around. And again, this isn't about which real estate company wins. It's about whether you guys win. If you're a homeowner, you should be able to choose whether you go public immediately or just test the waters first. Maybe you want to refine the list price. Maybe you want to sell quietly for personal reasons. You should have that option. If you're a buyer, you should get a full picture of what's actually on the market, not just what one platform decides what you can see. Robert Refkin, the CEO of Compass, compared Zillow's policy to Amazon banning a seller for listing a product on their own website first. Imagine that. Same product, same seller, but punished because it wasn't on Amazon first. Let's say you invented a new kind of insulated water bottle. Keeps drinks cold for 48 hours. You call it the Frost Flow. It's a pretty good idea. Before putting it on Amazon, you decide to launch it on your own website first. You want to test the price, maybe get early feedback from loyal customers, or keep more of the profit without the marketplace fees. But Amazon finds out and says, because you listed Frost Flow on your site first, you're banned. You can never sell that bottle on Amazon. Not now, not ever. Even though your product is legal, high quality, and consumers absolutely love it, it's completely blocked. And since Amazon is where most people shop online, you've just lost access to your biggest audience. Well, that's what Zillow is doing to home listings. If your home is publicly marketed anywhere before it's listed on Zillow, even in a private network, it's banned. It doesn't even matter how desirable the property is. Most buyers won't even know it was ever for sale. And that's what this lawsuit is trying to stop. Now, yes, there has been a debate about pocket listings and what some people call whisper listings. Critics say they reduce transparency. But even the National Association of Realtors, who created a rule in 2019 requiring homes to hit the MLS within 24 hours of public marketing, has since softened that stance. Zillow, they doubled down. In April, they made their ban even stricter. And Redfin, they followed suit with the same policy. Trulia, which Zillow owns, is also part of that ban. This isn't about protecting consumers. It's about locking up the market and protecting Zillow's bottom line. If Compass wins, sellers could get more flexibility and buyers could get more visibility. If Zillow wins, we may be moving towards a future where one or two companies decide how every home is marketed and who gets to see it. And that's why this case matters. It's not just about listings. It's about control. So tell me in the comments. I want to know. I want us to have a conversation about this. Should sellers have the right to test the market privately before they go public without being punished? Should buyers have access to every home, regardless of where it was first listed? If you want updates on how this lawsuit could change your next move in real estate, make sure you subscribe and follow along, because as I did say in the beginning of this video, I am a licensed real estate agent with Compass, so I'm going to be following this very, very closely, and I'll definitely report to you guys everything I find out, because this fight is just getting started. If you want more details on Zillow's policy, check out this next video. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!